So today we are going to do something new. We actually have Robin here. She's a health coach, and we actually make a healthy breakfast that actually ensures that you are energized throughout the day and don't feel like at 11, 12 o'clock already a little bit down and ready for a nap.
So we all have heard of probably superfood smoothies with fruits and vegetables, but in the winter I especially want something warmer. So this is sort of the porridge take on a fruit and veggie smoothie. So we're going to be making porridge with courgette and pear. And the great thing about incorporating vegetables into your food in the morning is that it's not only extremely healthy, as we know vegetables are, but it also lowers the carbohydrate density of your meal. So you're going to have a prolonged blood sugar curve. We're also going to be adding proteins and fats and fibers into the meal, which will again keep you energized for many hours to come, so you don't have that crash around 11 where you just want a snack. You're actually full and energized all the way through lunch.
Okay, so big picture, as I understood it correctly, because I'm also learning, I don't know what we're exactly doing here, is to put more protein in here and not just carbs all the time, because this will ensure that at some point the blood sugar goes down and then you're tired. And
so we're gonna sort of make a base together that can be used for inspiration, and then the toppings and the rest is really up to you. If people like to use protein powders, they can add that into the oats. The part of the fun is just making it to exactly your liking.
Yeah, we have a lot of ingredients here, as you can also see. I also always use the metaphor as it's like a library, right? So just pick the things that you found interesting and just keep them, which you don't like. We're just having a lot of inspiration here and using a lot of ingredients today.
Yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna put you to work and you get to peel the zucchini. And I'm gonna cut the pear. And the reason why I peel the zucchini is it kind of hides the fact that you're eating vegetable first thing in the morning.
Okay.
But I think it also is just easier on the stomach. We're making the oats, and we're gonna make this with salt and cinnamon.
Okay.
Cinnamon is also great for prolonging that blood sugar curve. So cook your oats however you like. We'll add in the pear and courgette towards the end because both of them cook very quickly. This also means this recipe can be made in the microwave with instant oats.
Okay, so salt, cinnamon, oats, and water, and we're
good to go.
Boiling that.
Now the fun part is putting all the toppings.
So you actually want to add some fats also on purpose, is that right?
You want to add fats on purpose. It helps to satiate you and keep you from snacking later on. It's going to help you feeling good throughout the day, and our bodies also need fats. We need everything. So these berries are also, as you can see by the color, full of antioxidants, as well as the almonds and this nut and seed butters that we've added. This means that it helps fight the natural oxidative stress that comes with metabolism and aging. So in that sense, it's sort of prolonging our aging. That's thinking behind antioxidants. So it's not only gonna keep you feeling good on a micro level throughout the day, but hopefully eating foods like this consistently will keep you feeling great on a macro level.
Nice. So I guess the main insights we learned here is to add really some more protein, which stabilizes your blood sugar throughout the day, which energizes you more, and it has quite some antioxidants in there, which is good for the immune system and stay healthy.
Yeah. So now the taste test comes. Can you add vegetables to oats and can it still taste good?
Yeah, that's actually a good question.
So I'm really not picky, which is why I always get nervous when I make stuff for other people, because I think everything tastes amazing.
It's really tasty. I honestly almost don't feel the zucchini. I don't taste the zucchini.
or feel it. I mean, it has a similar consistency to the pear.
True.
Yeah.
And that's why I think it's a great way to actually add it and put some mass in there, though in a healthy way. And I love it.
Awesome.
I will definitely do it more often.
Yeah, so if you want to try this at home, you can also make it in the microwave. It takes 2 minutes to cook the zucchini, oats, and pear. Make sure you add protein, fat, and fiber to your breakfast to make sure that you stay full the rest of the day. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, I have nothing to add.
Now we're gonna enjoy.
Yeah, so if you want to check out your channel, it's in the description below. And actually right now we're shooting a video about habit formation and how to build habits sustainably.
Yeah. So if you'd like to see Marco's video on my channel, make sure to check out The Science of Self-Care. The link will be in the description. Yeah.